Dear students, all of you take your English text and take page number 99. Look activity 7a. Read the following sentence. Polia's husband learned not only how to write his name but also how to be a successful officer. We can split the above sentence into two. Students, how can we split this sentence into two? Yes, the first sentence is Polia's husband learned how to write his name. What is the second sentence? Yes, he also learned how to be a successful officer. When we combine these two sentences, the sentence will become Polia's husband learned not only how to write his name but also how to be a successful officer. Take page number 100. The sun gives us light. It also gives us heat. We can combine these two sentences using not only but also. The sun gives us not only light but also heat. Look at these sentences. The moon gives us light at night. The stars also give light at night. Here, the subjects are the moon and the stars. We can combine these sentences. Not only the moon but also the stars give us light at night. Now all of you read it. If the subject is the same, we use not only but also to combine the qualities. If the subjects differ, not only but also comes before the subjects. For example, here the moon and the stars are different subjects. So the sentence will become not only the moon but also the stars give us light at night. Look at the pictures and the words given against them. Make sentences using not only but also. Look the first picture. What can you see here? Yes, a tree. Here what is the subject? Yes, the tree is the subject. All of you read this. Fruits to eat, firewood to burn. Here the subject is the tree and the qualities are fruits to eat and firewood to burn. So how will you write the sentence? Yes, trees give us not only fruits to eat but also firewood to burn. Here the subject is the same and we use not only but also to combine the qualities. Now look the next picture. What can you see here? Yes, here you can see fruits and pulses. The quality is rich in vitamins. So how many subjects are here? Yes, very good. Here you can see two subjects. They are fruits and pulses. Then only one quality is there, that is rich in vitamins. So how will you write the sentence? Yes, you are right. Not only fruits but also pulses are rich in vitamins. Hope you all understood how to make sentences using not only but also. Am I right? Now do the other activities as a homework. Now take page number 102. Read the passage given below. We know that the internet is quite common today, but it can be either a blessing or a curse. It depends on how we use it. When we browse, we may find a lot of things. They may be either useful or abusive. Either restrict the use of the internet or stop going online and continue using the other sources of information. We must be discreet in our action. Now examine the use of either or in the sentences. All of you read it. Either or is used to combine two parts of a sentence or two sentences. Here are a few problems. Suggest two solutions. Use either or. A table is given here including two columns. First column, problem. Second column, solution. In the first column, the first problem is your science teacher is on leave. In the second column, what is the solution for this problem? Yes, we may either sit in the class and read or go to the library. Here in this sentence, either or is used to combine two parts of a sentence, that is, sit in the class and go to the library. Now all of you read the second problem. A building catches fire. What is the solution for this problem? Yes, we may either try to extinguish the flames or call the fire force. Here in this sentence, we used either or to combine two parts of a sentence. Try to extinguish the flames and call the fire force. Students, now all of you read the next three problems and identify the solutions for these problems using either or. It's a homework for you. Look, activity 9. Look at the sentence from the passage, The Story of Messages. Paragraph 2. The riders of the Pony Express was chosen for their lightweight as well as their riding ability. Most of them were young boys. The above sentence is rather lengthy. Let's split it into two. The riders of the Pony Express were chosen for their lightweight. They were also chosen for their riding ability. So, in the above sentence, we combined these two sentences by using as well as. Here is a homework for you. Look at the words given in the bubbles. Using these words, make as many sentences as possible about what you and your friends can do. Use as well as in your sentences. So, all of you read these words. An example is given here. My friend Baby can draw pictures as well as paint portraits. All of you do the rest of it as a homework. We will discuss all the activities in the online class. All of you do it yourself. Thank you all.